Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Sallie Mae account. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Sallie Mae Login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option where it says login, click on it and make sure it takes you to salliemae.com. That is the official URL for the official website of Sallie Mae. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down until you see username and password. And where it says username, enter the username of your account. And where it says password, enter the password of your account. And then click on where it says login. And after you click on login, if the username and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Sallie Mae account. And if you forgot your password and username, you can click on these two options to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.